Hi, good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel Forward Zone. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the currency of the numbers in the sale. For example, here we have a price per piece of the item and also the number of regarding the sales. So to change the currency, firstly you have to highlight the sale with the numbers that you want to change the currency and go to Home tab. Then you go to the numbers selection here, the groups here, and go to accounting number format. So to change it, for example, you want it to be in US dollar, you just select US dollar. It will be changed to US dollar. So for example, the other two, you want to change it to another currency. Again, go to this number group and go to accounting format and change it, for example, to pound. Then it would be changed to English pound. For example, the other four, you want to change it to another currency, which is China yen. So you have to change it and will be changed automatically. So as you can see, after you click on the changes of format, it will be changed automatically. So you can choose any currency that you want. CHF French for Switzerland, Chinese yuan, euro, English pound, US dollar, and Malaysian ringgit. So there are many more accounting format over here and that you can choose. So you can explore the currency that you want and apply accordingly. For example, want to change to Nepali, then just click OK. You can just choose again and change to another currency, Bitcoin, where we change accordingly. Thank you. That is all from me. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.